We learn to be present, to be past, to be perfect, to be future. Start. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. To be past. We, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. তারপরে to be perfect. I have been, you have been, he has been, she has been, it has been, we have been, they have been. To be future. Will, I will be, you will be, she will be, he will be, it will be, we will be, they will be. It's finished.